Hello everyone, welcome back to SNK Learning. In our previous video, we have seen that the complete detail about the IELTS test and its format. And in this upcoming video, we'll be looking at the very crucial module of IELTS test, that is IELTS Listening Test. In this video, we'll cover the listening test format, types of questions asked, what are the different common challenges that is faced by the people, and definitely I'll be sharing with the certain 7 proven strategies what I already been adopted by my students and they got 8+ band in their listening test. And definitely at the end of this video I'll share some bonus resources from where you can definitely prepare for this IELTS listening test. So let's start, guys. First, we'll be looking at the complete detail about this test format, right? So initially the listening test is same for whether it is academic or general training. We have already shared in my last video that we need to appear for either academic or general according to your requirement. So this listening module will be completely same whether you are appearing for academic or general. So here is the breakdown complete regarding this format. This test will completely last for 30 minutes. You will be hearing certain audios and you will be allotted 10 more extra minutes if you are appearing for a paper based test and you can transfer your answer. Correct? Now, how many questions asked in this test? Then I would say that the number of questions you have been asked is 40. You need to give the answer of 40 questions, right? Now, this test is divided into 4 different sections, and as on when the passage of time, you will feel that each and every sections is getting more and more difficult. So be with me in this video, watch this video till end, so you will get each and every detail with the concrete proven techniques, right? Now first let me show you the test structure. So first of all, you'll, as I said, this test is divided into 4 sections. So section 1, you will be hearing a conversation and that will be related to everyday social context. It could be a booking of a hotel, booking of a flight or any other detail regarding to your everyday conversation. Second would be a monologue on a general topic. It could be a speech or any detail or any data that will be spoken by a single entity. That is why it is called monologue. In section 3, you will be asked, you will be heard an audio regarding 4 people or up to 4 people, and that is generally on the academic basis. It is not been asked from everyday context or anywhere. Probably audio of 3 to 4 people, they are discussing certain things, whether it could be a university discussion or any paper discussion or anything, but majorly it is related to academic. In your fourth clip, again it would be a monologue, but it would be purely on the academic subject. It could be a lecture, it could be a seminar, it could be certain details regarding any subjects or anything. Now, the most important part of this test is each recording will be played once. You have to be very active on listening. You need to cultivate your listening habit, very crucial, because once the things going again, you will not hear that particular audio, right? So you need to keep your ears very active while listening or while this complete listening test. Now the second part comes, that is the question types. I have jotted down many questions types generally been asked in the listening test. Here are the common things. First, MCQs. We all are known to this word, multiple choice questions. There is a question and there are certain options beneath the questions. So again, in this audio, you have to keep your ear active and you have to hear the audio, completely listen the audio, and you keep a track on the audio, because the question paper is already been given to you before the audio, guys, right? So you need to keep a track on that, listen to the audio and check while your audios are playing. In these questions there are already 3 to 4 answers are given. You need to write the right one. Second, the Flowchart completion. You will be given certain blanks regarding to it could be a flowchart, a table, a form or any other format. You need to fill the complete details which is being played in the audio. Next question is sentence completion. See guys, whatever the things is asked in listening test, we have already been familiar in our earlier academic days. But here what is the problem is we are listening to our audio and the things we cannot see once again or hear again. So in this sentence completion, either you need to complete a sentence with the help of a word or a short phrase, probably two or three words. Next is matching. While playing the audio, you need to hear that what a speaker is speaking, and you need to keep a track regarding its opinion or other items or any location or anything, and you need to match with the given paper. Next would be a labeling. You'll be allotted a map or diagram as in the form of questions. You need to identify the location that is being already there in the audio, and you need to keep a track on that. Next question type is short answer questions. You need not to give a huge answer. Short answer, that means you don't have to write 100 word or something. You need to give only 2 to 3 word answer, and that is already generally you can say a factual questions, right? Now, next part we'll be seeing the common challenges faced by the people while the exam. I've seen many IELTS aspirants face very specific listening challenge. Let's highlight certain challenges. I have already highlighted with the help of my previous students that those have faced. First, accent. We all know that we are from a country where the major speaking language is Hindi. So we are not familiar, probably not familiar with the accent which is being spoken in the other countries. But the audio you are listening, guys, that is a different accent what we are speaking in our country, India. So that IELTS listening accent could be a British, Australian, Canadian, or sometime American. So my suggestion is you should familiar with those kind of accent. Second trouble what people are facing is speed. See guys, whenever we are speaking our native language, we are somehow very comfortable in that language. So whatever the audio is being played by the people, they are speaking in their own native language. So definitely they are completely or rather fairly speed, they are into very speedy manner. We feel that probably they are not feeling that they are in the speedy manner. So you have very crucial ears on each and every word, because the audio will move quickly and you won't hear it again at any cost. And I would say that that should not impact your upcoming test format. Next, you should have a complete focus. If you lose attention for a few seconds, guys, you might miss the answer. And according to our mind, if we miss the answer, we keep in that particular answer for a while, and during the time the audios goes on, and probably for the one answer we miss the another 2 3 answer. So don't do that, guys. Next, spelling and grammar. That could be rectified, because mistakes in spelling or exceeding the word limit which is being asked in the question, that can cost you losing your marks. So be keep an eye on that what is being asked in the paper. If you ask only the answer in two to more, not more than 3 words, then the maximum word limit is 3. You can give the answer in 1 word, 2 word, or max 3. If you are writing 4 words, then you are losing your marks. Got it? Next, now, in this last part, which is the most important part of this video, I'll sharing top 7 tips to score more than 8 plus band. And let me say you guys that these are the proven strategies which is being adopted and which has been adopted by my students, and they are successfully completed the test with more than 8 bands. First, read the question before the recording start. As I suggested in this video, you have been already given a question paper before the test starts. So you have enough ample amount of time to see the question before each and every audio, because before playing each part you have given 4 audio clips, right? So before each and every clip you have enough time to see the question. If you are familiar with the questions, then you will know, you can predict that what could be the audio is all about. Because if in the question you You have been asked regarding a date, either a number or a name or a location, that we are very good because we need to keep our ear on that particular aspect. So my suggestion is read the questions before the recording starts. Next, focus on keyword and paraphrasing. See guys, when the audio is playing, it is not that for each and every question you will get the direct answer. There are certain keywords or paraphrasing regarding the synonyms or the similar words or probably a small phrase which could represent a word. So you should keep a ear on that. Listen very carefully. Your focus should not be deviated from the audio. Next is don't pause mentally after missing one answer. This just now I said in one of my slide that don't pause. If one question answer is not being answered, let it be. Yeah. Don't worry about that because that will cost you more than 3 to 4 answers. So if you are losing on one answer, let it be. Keep your focus very actively on the what is audio is playing, right? So leave the questions what you have already left. If you feel that you could have a glimpse like this could be the answer, you have 10 minutes in your hand to copy your answer to the answer sheet when you are appearing for the paper pattern. So you can write that answer at that time if you feel that this could be the answer. Next, be careful with spelling. Here I would first suggest that you need to write the answer either each and everything in capital. I suggest only capital because there could be a punctuation error. If you want to write the first word capital and the rest of the word in the sentence manner, but if you are writing the first word small, then it could be a grammatical error. So I would suggest write each and everything in capital words. Then you need to go to the spelling words. If your spelling is not correct, you are losing on your mark because whatever the content you have written, if the spelling of any one of the word is wrong, the whole answer is wrong. So practice the common spellings, common words which is generally being played in the audio. For that you need to practice more and more audio clips. I'll just show you how to practice and where from where you need to practice. Next, improve your concentration. It is again the same thing what we have already discussed regarding the focus, but it's something different from the particular focus because in the focus pattern you need to focus on the audio what is being played, but along with the audio there are certain sounds, there are certain uh, peaks or any other noise which could distract you from the audio. So I would suggest that always double check what have you heard because it could be a distractive word and you think that it is the actual answer. It may not be. For that particular thing you need to practice a lot, correct? Next, practice with the real IELTS material. See, if you are IELTS aspirant, if you are watching my this video regarding the listening, then I would say that you are aware about the IELTS exams. So, if you want to practice, go with the authenticate material, and we all know it is the Cambridge IELTS book and the trusted online resource, right? So, you need to practice all the audios which is being given in 1 to 18 books of the IELTS, right? If you feel that we are not listening to audio, the transcript is also there. You can see that later on. First, try to listen. And one more very crucial suggestion: don't forget to listen with headphones because in actual test you will be getting that particular thing only. So listen with the headphone. That will clarify the audio, guys, and you will get each and everything very proper manner. Last, watch English shows, documentaries, podcasts, or any other English discussion which could enhance the knowledge regarding your accent, because whatever the audio you are listening, it will be not in your native language. If you are from India, it is definitely either in British, Canadian, Australian, American. This kind of accent is generally being played in the audio, so be familiar with the accent. So my suggestion is watch regular English shows, BBC's, IELTS list, and it be a many resources. And the most important thing, guys, transcribing your short clips. Record your clips and hear that. That will enhance your knowledge and that will help you in the other module also. So try to transcribe short clips so your ear could get a glimpse about the accents. Correct? Next, as I promised, in this video, I'll just share you certain bonus resources from you can get the authenticate practice. So here are the list. First, Cambridge IELTS book. We can say this is the most authenticate data. So you need to practice the real test audio which is being there in Cambridge IELTS book, and in their own website also you'll get these things from the online material. Second, British Council listening practice tests. It's there in their own website. It is completely free. You need to register and you can use their own audio, so that will enhance your knowledge. The third one is BBC Learning, right? Watch the news, BBC Learning, TED shows, TED talks, and anything. So that will enhance your listening skills. That will train your ear how to listen this word, how this word is pronunciated. This kind of thing will be listening by your ear. And last but not the least, we are also, SNK Learning is also upcoming with the mock test series, in which I'll personally guide you regarding each and every section, each and every question type which is being discussed in this video. So be with me guys till the upcoming season regarding the mock test series for each and every module. Thanks, guys. If you feel that you can get the answer for your listening module questions regarding anything, regarding the test format questions or any other thing, then share this video, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this video. Also, you think that you require certain notification, you can also hit the bell button, so if whenever the new video is coming you'll get the notification along with. Thanks guys, and thanks for your patience.